In this video, I will show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. So to get started, go ahead and open GitHub on your device and then sign in into your account. Now, once you're signed in, head over into the repositories tab by clicking on that repositories tab. So under repositories, go ahead and select that specific repository that you want to delete on your GitHub account. So simply click on that repository that you have chosen. So click on that, and then once you're inside the repository, you'll be able to find these tools at the top of your repository. So simply click on this settings tab, and then under this you'll be able to find this section. So just scroll down until you reach the bottom of this general settings section. At the bottom, you'll find this option to delete this repository. So simply click on that and confirm the deletion of this repository for your GitHub account. And that's basically how you can delete a GitHub repository.